Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kinah here, coming to you to unbox the March 2022 Cocoa Daisies subscription box titled Cactus Moon. If you are interested in seeing what's in this box, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have our introductory card. It says, one of our most popular and requested themes are succulents. Having done a succulent collection back in 2017, I wanted to make sure to give this month's version a new twist. We added some cacti and brought in some dazzling purples and blues of the desert night sky. March is a quirky month that is transitioning from winter to spring, making us think of change and starting over. One of the quotes from the collection especially speaks to me and seems to fit this time of year. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. I hope this month's collection speaks to your creative soul as it does mine, Christine. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's see. Alright, I'm going to start with what's here on top. And we've got a dangle paper clip. I'm loving the colors. Oh, look at that. Look at the little, if it's gonna let me show it. There we go. So we've got a little dangle paper clip. Cute. Next thing we have is a pin loop. Goodness, nothing wants to cooperate today. So we have this blue pen loop. That's where your pen goes. It does have the adhesive backing. So here is the pen loop in this month's box. Next up, we have our die cuts for the month. So let's go ahead and get into these so you guys can see them. Come on. There we go. I love that. The month ahead. We got a glance. Spring cleaning. We've got our cacti and florals. And that one says, stay sharp and never desert your dreams. Funny. Funnies. We've got our succulents and our florals, and then we have our 6 tabs. So this is our die cut set. They are adhesive on the back, if I have not said that already. These are the die cuts and tabs for the month. Next up, let's jump into this month's pen, because I am loving the mix of the crystals down there in this white pen. So we've got this pearly white paint with the glitter in the paint, as you can see. We've got these purple and blue crystals with silver hardware. There's the Cocoa Daisy on the top. This is a twist up gel pen, black gel ink, and every kit does include refills for your pen. So that's this month's pen. And then this month's sticky notes say jot it down, and it has the cacti and florals. Let's back that up and come back with it. And that's the sticky note. Next, I see something rolling away from me. So we're going to go ahead and open this washi before it escapes. Oh, pretty. Where is my handy dandy knife? Okay. Alright, so we have some pretty colors in these succulents on the roll. Let me roll this out for y'all. Whoa. All right. So here is the washi for this month. Super pretty. Next up, we have our little wax pouch that comes with your pen refills, 2 of them, a pen test sheet, and you have a notepad. These are not sticky notes, this is just a notepad. So that's what we have there. Next, let's get into the sticker pack. We have our decorative sheet, has all of our succulents, these pretty florals, very pretty. I love this deco sheet. And then we have our main kit that has stickers for your March setup. You've got March here, days of the week, your date flags, your headers, etc., etc., and your icons down at the bottom. And then the sheet has our letters, some more date flags, and some boxes. So here is the sticker kit for the month. Last but not least, we have, oh wow, wait a minute, okay, not last but not least, we have our paper pack for the month. We have these 3 double-sided sheets. Ooh. Oh, look at that. The desert in the day and the night. That's pretty. Then we've got all the cacti. So this is the paper pack for the month. And then last but not least, I'm not sure what this is yet, but it's very bright and very glittery. Is this a spine? And see, I didn't pay attention. I did not watch the live this month. So, oh, it's on clear paper. I will have to put down in the description box what this is. But y'all, this looks like an adhesive spine to go on something. I won't pull it off because I don't know what it's for yet. But it's cute. Look at the glitter. Alright, y'all. So here is the March 2022 Cocoa Daisy planner kit, the main planner kit titled Cactus Moon. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.